This is a review of the Beko EcoSmart ECOWMB81445. First thing, when it came, the transport bolts are bolts rather than screws as on a previous washing machine, so we actually had to go and buy a set of spanners in order to take those out. Relatively straightforward to plumb in. It's got a water supply, cold water supply, and an electric supply. I'm just going to program it now. So on off button. This is the programming. It's got spin time, or spin speed, temperature and time left. It's got a variety of settings. Duvet, baby and toddler clothing, which is useful with a new baby. 40-degree super short express wash at 14 minutes. A daily quick at 28 minutes. Fashion, cottons, spin and drain. So I'm going to go with a duvet wash. This is the drawer, although I'm using some pressure in the wash itself. There you go, start. And shows a clear indication that the wash is finished.